Welcome back. Today, guys, it's amazing to be in the kitchen. Today we do a quick simple meal, 12 minutes, less than 12 minutes. You know what I mean? We got some shrimps. This one is chili king prawn. It's stir fry rice and veg. Hopefully we like this recipe. It's a 12 minutes recipe, guys, we can do at home. You come from work and feel tired and have a hot day like a weather like this one. You need something quick. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. And also, remember you can donate to the YouTube channel. And also, remember, we're coming out with a brand new studio. And next, with a cookbook online, 50% off. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today is just like a 12 minutes recipe. Less than even 12 minutes. The only reason why I can say less than 12 minutes because normally you can go to any local shop and buy some chili king prawn. This one is already marinated and in the package and ready. So basically I just see it and I say, you know what, and I can buy a pack of king prawn and just go home and do something for the fans and which very easy and quick. I have some leftover rice right here, roughly a cup of rice. I got some white onion. And right here I have 2 mushrooms, leave in my fridge. I just cut them up, slice them up. I have a little bit of sweet corn, a tomato, and also one garlic and few peppers right here and a piece of a lemon. For you, if you want to do something very simple, easier, you don't need to add so much ingredients. It's all about you, but this is all of my ingredients which I'm going to be using in my chili king prawn fried rice today. Hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. So let's go into business as I show you how to do this one at home. Less than 12 minutes recipe. Nice one. So right here I have a medium-sized stir-fry pan on the stove. All I'm gonna do is pop a little bit of olive oil inside of it like that. Lovely. Chuck in the mushroom, some white onion, and also the garlic, which I'm just gonna simply just finely chop it up, get it straight inside of it. The white tomato is just for color, so we're gonna pop that straight inside of it also. And got a lot of veg also inside of it. Nice one. Then the mixed pepper. Give that a quick stir. And as you can see, looking so lovely so far. Then we're gonna pop in the prawn. And as I say, it's already marinated, so very easy. We're gonna pop in some sweet corn. Give it a stir. Just a little bit of coarse pepper. Give it a lovely stir. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pop in that lovely rice. Squeeze some lemon juice. Give it a stir. Allow that for another 5 to 6 minutes. Nice and lovely. As you can see, that is almost ready. Just to share out. And as I said, this is just beautiful and nice. Look at that. Really nice. So basically, when you squeeze the lemon inside of it, it do give the mushroom them a nice color, as you can see. Lovely, white and nice. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to share it out now. As I said, it's just a nice, lovely chili king prawn stir fry rice with veg. Really nice recipe. You can do this at home for the family and the kids and enjoy the recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and we are working very hard to give you a recipe to fill the gap at home. Thank you so much, and now we're going to share it out. Really nice and lovely. So as you can see, this is it right here, and then basically serve it with a nice lovely piece of a lemon. That's it. And I know you guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. This is just a nice, very quick, easy recipe, less than 12 minutes inside of the kitchen once you have all of these ingredients at home. Very easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Got a lot more recipe coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye.